Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. So happy that you're here, and I have a lot to tell you because it's gonna be a nice episode. The weather is amazing. 36 days of amazing weather in Holland is rare. It is 31 degrees today in the full sun, and it is nice. Some Dutch people with 1 week of good weather are like, oh, it's too hot. And I'm made for this. This is amazing. So happy that you're here, guys. And I've been preparing the boat for the last 4 weeks. I've been working super hard with my job and preparing the boat in the evenings, and everything comes together. You're gonna meet Dimitri. Maybe he doesn't want on film, but he is the guy who is gonna fix all the electrics. Super happy. The VHF, the diesel heater, and some lights and some main wiring. So I'm really stoked, because that's one of the last things before we can live on the boat and use the boat correctly. So that being said, I also bought a topper, because we have tried some nights on the bed in the front of the boat and it's quite harsh. So I bought a topper this thick, 5 centimeters, and that was a huge difference. So in this movie I will cut it to size and make it fit. It sleeps amazing. So I'm really happy with that upgrade, because happy wife, happy me. And as you know, I've had the surgery in my leg. Everything is going very well, but for the holiday plans I was actually planning to just stay in the harbor and chill, have a nice sun and relax. Then Milou told me, no, I want to go travel and let's go abroad or intercontinental, or let's go to Africa. And I'm like, I need to take it easy with my leg, with my knee. So I actually came up with a different idea for this summer. Have a look. I can road trip in a car, and that feels good for my knee and my leg. So in the background you see an amazing Jaguar XJ6 from 1996. And guys, I bought this amazing machine. I've had a few before, back in the day, and these cars have something. I cannot explain it, but the English over-the-top design, the interior, I'm gonna show you everything, but it's amazing. Everywhere I go, I get thumbs up, smiles from old people, from young people. People are waving. It's an amazing machine, and this is gonna be our road trip mobile for the coming 2 weeks into France and maybe into Spain. We'll see if it reached the border. So let me show you some beauty shots. Amazing machine. I love it. Sounds good, looks good. Quite hot in here. But guys, this is amazing. I bought a summer hat for Milou as a present, and she will be here cruising along with me to France and living the life, guys. Really amazing. Okay guys, enough about the Jaguar. I've got some groceries for today and it's starting time. Back at the boat. So I got the mattress here on the deck. Let me show you. It's quite windy today, but it's fully sunny. I'm gonna put it down and then let's see how the measurements come up. that is actually not bad for a first fit. So the bed came from a 34 feet, and you see it, the bed is a bit bigger, but I think it's really nice. Oh, this is perfect. Wow, I didn't expect this actually. And for people who are curious, this is the full size. And I am quite tall, I think. 1.90 meter almost. And it's just 2 meters here. So this is okay. And with Milou sleeping there, I'm not sure how it will fit. I think this is gonna be alright. It's so nice out. Alright, so this will be the fit. Super easy. Didn't expect this. I did it before once, and then with the saw, and that was giving all dirt and dust. So I don't know. This was super easy with a very high-end bread knife. Okay, there we go. A little bit more to the end. Oh, this is so nice. And now looking for the correct fit of this small piece here. I think this worked amazing. Look at that. That looks good. That looks good. And the left side. Nice. We'll put the cover on, and it will not fit for the first time. But I will later bring this cover to maybe a specialist to get the new bed fit in the cover. That will be sick. Sweaty. That worked out. Look at this. Cut to size. And there we go. There's the small part. Amazing. Very happy with this modification. Next job. The bed is actually nice. I really like it. So on to the next job, because there are small things to finish. I bought the last piece of the Webasto heater hose that will be placed on the part where I didn't have the correct size. Some extra LED for in the engine room, extra bright, so these have 3 instead of 1. I bought a new Dutch flag, and maybe I'm gonna mount this one, but we'll have to see that later. I found this in storage, so might be good. Where to place this flag holder yet? Will it be here or will it be on the hull, on the back? I need to find out. That flag is really nice. Love it. It's not windy now, but it's officially my boat now. My Dutch boat. Woo! Dimitri is coming over, and Dimitri is a good friend and actually a electrical mechanic. He has a nice company, a big company, and has a few mechanics all around the Netherlands that build in car alarms, track and trace systems, dash cams. So he really knows the 12-volt system very well. He's also a sail enthusiastic, so he was really stoked to hear about the Dufour 31. And yeah, I'm looking forward to today. Dimitri will start with all the electrics that I renewed in the mast. They come inside the cabin, and I really need to connect those. But there are a lot of wires going to the panel, through the roof and through the bilge. So I'm not sure. I did some wiring testing there, and I found out that there is 12 volt. But yeah, I will double check everything with Dimitri. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a good 6 hours of electrical work. And if there's still work to do, then I want to have a look at the gauges, because the gauges are not fully working. So yeah, maybe there's time left to inspect that. But first, I'm gonna do a super scary thing. I'm not sure if it's really good to do. It is scary, and I get a lot of wet hands inside. So on to a dirty project. Well, we got a sink in the bathroom. You can see here, there's a small sink. It's nice, it's a bit dirty, but it didn't work. So the water bags below the bed are filling this pedal, and then it comes up nicely to this amazing sink. But I thought today, let's suck the water out, because it's stinky. So I am sucking the water out, and that line there, that hose, goes into the bottom, and I started sucking the water out, and then I found a very big issue. Here is something, and if I pull this, you see clearly that it's stuck. So now it's sucking. So this is under the water line for sure. So I'm gonna try and drop down this bucket, put that in here, and try to get the thing out. Okay, there we go. Boom. I think it went out. But where? Hey. Wait. Or is it still in? No, it's out. Ugh. I'm not sure where it is, but it's out. That was a good job. I'm really happy because it seems to work. I'm still pumping because under the bed there is a 250 or 150 liter water bag. And I think that I will start doing this as a good exercise for my leg. And yeah, I need to get every liter out. So I think this will take a week, but maybe it's good to do some exercise. So I'm happy. Dimitri asked me to not put him on video, so that's why you haven't seen him yet. But it's super nice. He numbered the wires. So the wires from the top light, the deck light and the steam light. And with the correct wire here. So these are the old wires in the boat itself, and these are the new ones connected to the new block. And it isn't the best solution, but for now it is good. Voilà. Wat zie je dan?
Dat die niet goed is.
Vervangen, ja, 10,55 volt.
Alright, next project. We're gonna live on the Dufour, as you know, the full month of July. And we've got some neighbors, and when they are on their boats, they have an amazing table, like a deck table. And we bought one, a very nice one, the LAGUN. And enjoy your food. The LAGUN is going to be installed here. So there's actually more space on the inside on this side. So we're going to mount it here. Alright, project done. Look at the mount. And you can twist and turn it. Yeah, you can give a demo. So you can have a laptop or food. It's really nice, and it has a double frame so it can do any angle. You can only not tilt it, but that's fine. It's good as it is. It was 300 euros and it's worth the money. It was on sale for 170 something for 300. So we're super happy because when we live here, we can have nice dinner, food and laptops. This is where we work for. Woohoo!